Huawei Y9s with 6GB RAM, triple rear camera setup launched, price and specifications. Huawei Y9s has been launched in India as a new mid-range offering by the company priced at under 20,000 rupees. It comes with a triple rear camera setup and a glass body. It is powered by an octa-core chipset and comes in a single RAM and storage configuration. There are two color options to choose from and Huawei says the phone will be exclusively sold through Amazon. For now, delivery will be limited to the green and orange zones as per the latest lockdown guidelines. Huawei Y9s price. The Huawei Y9s is priced at 19,990 rupees for the single 6GB RAM and 128GB storage option. The phone comes in two colors, namely, Breathing Crystal and Midnight Black. It will go on sale exclusively through Amazon starting May 19th. Until guidelines are modified by the government, the delivery of non-essential items will only be possible in green and orange zones across the country. Huawei Y9s specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Huawei Y9s runs MIUI 9.1 based on Android 9 Pie. It features a 6.59-inch Full HD+, 1,080x2,340 pixels, LCD full-view display with a pixel density of 391p. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the octa-core Kirin 710F SoC with 4 Cortex-A73 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 4 Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.7 GHz. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. For photos and videos, the Huawei Y9s has 3 cameras on the back including a 48-megapixel sensor with an f/1.8 lens, an 8-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle f/2.4 lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f/2.4 lens. On the front, you get a 16-megapixel sensor with an f/2.2 lens. The front camera has a pop-up design giving a full-screen display, with no notch or hole punch. The Huawei Y9s comes with 128GB of UFS 2.1 onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 512GB. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, 4G LTE, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS/A GPS, GLONASS, and a USB Type-C port for charging. The Huawei Y9s is backed by a 4,000 mAh battery that supports 10 watts charging. The sensors present in the phone include ambient light sensor, gyroscope, compass, and a gravity sensor. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor on the Huawei Y9s. The phone measures 163.1 x 77.2 x 8.8 mm and weighs 206 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.